Now we continue with Alberto Pirosu, who is the manager of the national sales with over 10 years of experience and a solid career in the biogas sector. From 2023, he joined the internationalization project of Sebigas, which is a particular focus on with a particular focus on Spain. We have only 10 minutes to go. We are, a little bit have a
Hola, buenos
little
días a
delay.
todos.
Good
Yo
morning.
soy Alberto Pirosu
I'm
para
Alberto
la
Piros
empresa
from
Sebigas
Sebigas,
y hoy les
and
hablaré de dos
today
tipos
I'm
de
going to tell
reactores
you about
anaeróbicos.
two
El bien
anaerobic
conocido
reactors, different
CSTR,
types, the
el
CTR,
digestor que todos
the
visualizamos
digester that
como
we visualize as
un cilindro
a
con un cuarto de
cylinder
esfera
with
encima, y
a
el
sphere,
menos
fourth
conocido
sphere. The less
anMBBR,
known
con el
is
que nos empezaremos
BBMR,
a familiarizar hoy. Esta es la
MBBR,
solución de
which is a
Sebigas
solution of
para tratar
Sebigas
esos
to
tipos de
treat those
biomasa
type of
que tienen
biomass
una
that
concentración de masa seca
has a dry
muy baja, un
biomass
poquito inferior al
concentration, which is
1%.
lower
Antes
than
de todo,
1%.
una pequeña introducción
Before I
sobre
continue, we'd like
nosotros,
to
sobre Sebigas.
introduce, make a
Somos una
brief
empresa
presentation of
italiana
Sebigas. We are an Italian
fundada
company
en 2008
founded in
y desde el
2008, and
2020 somos parte del
since
grupo tipos. Somos un
2020
equipo
we
de
are belong
20
to the
personas, 22
Tipgas
personas,
group. We are
y nos
22
dedicamos a
people
diseñar
working
y
in the design
construir plantas de
and the
biogás.
building of
Hemos
biogas plants.
construido hasta la
We
fecha
have built so
84
far
plantas,
84 plants,
otras están
and
en
others
camino,
are underway.
analizando y
And by
utilizando
analyzing
70
and
tipos
using
de, más de 70 tipos de
more over
biomasa.
70 types of
Con recetas también
biomass.
innovadoras. El
We also
próximo año
apply,
empezaremos un proyecto
innovative
en Apulia
recipes. Actually,
con el
next
utilizo
year we
por
will use an
por primera
Apulia for
vez en
first
Italia, en
time
Europa,
in Italy,
del
and
nopal o del
the
del
so-called
chumbo o chombera.
the fig
Antes de ponerle
biomass.
cara a
Before, I
dos tipos
describe,
de
the two
digestores,
types of
es bueno
digestors.
si
Let
los
me
colocamos
see.
en
We
lo
are
que
going to place,
el
arrange
marco
them,
general de la
and the
tecnología de digestión
general
anaeróbica.
anaerobic
Los reactores lo
technology
podemos
framework.
clasificar o
We
bien
can classify either
según la
for
tecnología empleada o bien por el tipo de biomasa
by
que son
the
más
technology
aptos
or by the
a digerir.
biomass
Así que
use.
para el tema de la
So when
tecnología,
it comes to
la
technology,
distinción primaria
the
es
main
entre
difference is
el
between
crecimiento de la
the
bacteria.
growth
O
of
sea, si las
the
bacterias
bacteria,
tienen un
if
crecimiento, un
bacteria
desarrollo
grow
por
or
suspensión o
develop
bien
by
por adhesión.
suspension or
Y
by
vemos que el
adhesion.
CSTR pertenece
Adherence,
al primer
sorry.
grupo,
And
en
the first
particular
one, the
a los grupos de
CTRR, belongs
digestores
to
de
the first
alimentación
group, to
continua.
the
Mientras
continuous
que
feed
la
reactors.
anMBBR
Meanwhile, the
pertenece
other
al
one
segundo grupo
belongs
y
to
en
the second
particular
group,
a los que
especially
tienen
to
una
those who
dynamic
have a
fixed field,
dynamic,
lo cual
a different
significa
dynamic,
que
meaning
el lecho
that
se
the
mueve
bed is moving in the
el digestor.
digester.
Si pasamos
If you
al
go
tipo de
move
digestor
to the type of
por biomasa,
digester per hour
entonces
per
vemos que
biomass,
el
we
anMBBR
realize that MMR
se utiliza para biomasas que se
is
definen
used
ultra
for
wet,
biomass
antes,
defined as
inferiores al
ultra
1% de
wet,
masa seca.
under
Mientras que
1%
utilizo
of dry
del
biomass.
CSTR
If you
con
use
biomasa wet o húmeda,
CSTR, you
lo
use the
cual
wet
significa
one.
que son
That
biomasas
means
que
that these
tienen
biomasses
valores de materia seca
have,
que van
some
entre
dry
el 5
material
y el
that goes
12%
from
con
5 to
valores
12%
óptimos
with
que
optimal
son entre el
values
7
that
y el
go from
10%.
7 to 10%.
Ahora bien,
However,
el CSTR es
in the
muy flexible porque me permite
CSTR,
a
this is
través de
very
la
flexible because
codigestión
I can, through the
obtener
cold
ese
digestion, I can
equilibrio
obtain
perfecto
the
de materia
perfect
seca.
balance
Por ejemplo,
of dry matter.
podemos
For example,
mezclar,
we
parece
can
paja de arroz
combine, mix,
con
rice,
purines o
straw
con
with
de
slurry
como la
or
anterior
sewage
ponente
treatment ways,
estaba
as the
explicando.
previous speaker was
Sin
saying
embargo,
before.
si no tenemos
So
la
if we
posibilidad de
don't have the
digestión,
chance for
entonces
digestion,
el
then
SSTR no
the
es eficiente. Por
CSTR
ejemplo,
is not efficient.
puede
It's not
ser que
sufficient, sorry,
transportar los
because
purines
you can
cueste demasiado
transport
desde el punto de
slurry. This
producción
is too much for the production,
hasta
too
la planta
much
de
cost
biogás. Y entonces,
for the
en ese caso,
production of
tenemos que
biogas. So
pensar a
in
otras
this case,
técnicas.
we
¿Y
need
por qué este
to
punto es
take into
importante?
account other
Bueno,
techniques. This
a
is
esa altura creo
important
que todos
because
conocemos
so far
los
we
estudios
know
de Sebigas,
of the
otros
Sebigas
estudios
and other
europeos
studies,
que colocan
European
a España
studies that
en el
place Spain
tercer
as the
lugar
third
como potencial de biomasa.
country with
Entonces, si no
biomass
podemos procesar
potential. So
esas
if we
biomasas,
cannot
pues ahí
process
nos
that
quedamos
biomass,
en
we
la
have all the
potencia.
supplies and we only have a potential. That's it.
Ahora sí, visualizamos un par de
Now
reactores
we can see
CSTR
two
construidos por
reactors of CCTR that produce biogas. There are there are main differences even within the CSTR with the type of biomass which is going to be processed. This is an example Greece built by Sebigas in 2017 that processes biomass, agro-industrial biomass. You can see how the design is very traditional, conventional, with the agitators, side agitators that produce a mixture, continuous mixture, very slow mixture combination, while the intermittent fast, mixture is some result of some vertical agitators. This is also very classic. On the other hand, the heating system through the internal exchangers. In this case, we have to pasteurize not the whole biomass, so we use, pasteurizing system, external pasteurizing system. This is different, we cannot use the same system here because we need a mixture that is more continuous and more energetic. That's why we use agitators which are vertical agitators for the slow mixture, but those need two anchoring points, one under and one above. And that's for this reason we build the digester as with the two floors. You can see the difference here. The pasteurization system was also necessary. The whole biomass had to be pasteurized. And that's why we decided to work in thermophilic regime. For that reason, we use external exchangers. That's why we say the CCTR cannot be used for any type of biomass. It would be unthinkable to use it for such a liquid biomass because bacteria don't have enough surface to adhere to grow. So that's why you face the risk. It's not really a risk. The bacteria can be washed. That's why we need to provide a surface in which bacteria can grow and multiply. That's how we can actually get this through the carriers. The carriers are, plastic devices placed on the surface where bacteria can be multiplied to create the biofilm that you can see here. That's why the technology is called biofilm reactor, anaerobic biofilm reactor. Who can actually take advantage to use this? Any processes, industrial processes, in which an important amount of waste water need to be treated sometimes in the interior and inside the process with high values of oxygen thermal demand over 5,000 kilograms per liter. And also you have some bioproducts that can be used through in the anaerobic digestion. About the advantages, the footprint is reduced because, inside the digester, we have a number of bacteria so important they act rapidly, fastly, so the digester is smaller than the conventional one. So the footprint is reduced, hydraulic retention times are also reduced, under 5 and 10 days. The sludge amount is reduced as well. And also the chemical oxygen demand is also reduced, so I will not be using so much oxygen for the aerobic digestion. I want to show you those two cases that we are actually handling now. First, to process, milk in a dairy plant. You can see in the blue, darker blue, you can see the current situation. The green is the flow.
añadiendo un
by
digestor
adding,
anMBBR
adding that digester to the process system. The cheese maker plant, is working 365 days a year, producing wastewater and some soil that is being sold by producing some good benefits. In order to increase the process, they need 2,700 cubic meters of natural gas to feed a generator and a boiler. If you use this MBBR reactor, we can produce sufficient biogas. One to feed this CHP, and the other one to feed a pre-boiler that will help to heat the BBR, and the other one to preheat the water for the gas natural operated boiler. So we are using, 375,000 euros as natural gas, and now 1,500 euros. Taking into account this, we are reducing our gas bill up to 50%. And last but not least, and firstly, the slurry cases. This is one that is under study for our China headquarters, branch. They are building different digesters for the process to process slurry using the CSTR technology for this type of biomass. It's very efficient because we have different bacteria and a dry mass which is quite low. So first, this is a pure CTR with 3 digesters. Then we use some material to make it more compact. Then we use the liquid part, the fluid part, and then we can, last but not least, we want to add VBR, that help us to reach 250,000 cubic meter of biogas limit. Thank you.
Muchísimas gracias.
Thank you.